You ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body just like you should. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my...
Hey guys, we're at the end of Gorordo Avenue from Lahub. Muna siya ang intersection dire sa Gorordo Avenue and Maxilum. Wagi dire ang Grand Parade. So na-float karon ang tanawon unsa na. Na-Jollibee dire oh. Bida ang saya. Na-float guys, tanaw na kinsara. Ay, taga Manila kayo. From where? If it's senior sa mga lahat ng Manilenyo dyan kay Yorme Isko. Hello po. Saan po kayo sa Maynila? Ah, Panilag. Wrong grammar. It's senior. It's Senyor Cebu. This is the real Sinulog in Cebu. It's the first time it's back now in the city, downtown, after COVID-19, and the Sinulog fun is back. It's Senyor. Guys, this is the kind of crowds sa Sinulog. Grabe props ha, full house. Oh, shout out sa mga taga Negros, mga Negros. Occidental, Oriental. Oriental.